তেলাওয়াত ইসলামী সঙ্গীত এখানে শেষ করব। এরপর ইংরেজি বক্তব্য রাখছেন আমাদের অত্র মাদ্রাসার ছাত্র মোহাম্মদ শামীম ওসমান গনি। মোহাম্মদ শামীম ওসমান গনি।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shamim Foraji. I read in class 4. I hope you are healthy. Now I tell a story about our religion. We are Muslims. The Muslims are a brave and honest nation. Our religion is Islam. It means things. It is the complete code of life. Allah is our Lord. He is all in all. He is the creator of all things. He has also created us. We do not see him, but he can see us. He is very kind and merciful. We are alive by his mercy. He has sent the Quran for our liberation. The Quran is our holy book. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our prophet. He was very honest and truthful. For this the citizen of Makkah called him Al-Amin. He was the greatest leader of the world for all age. So we should follow him in our life.
Masha